Take a ride in the 2019 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, rear window wiper, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.